Good morning everyone and welcome. Stefan here with Bohemian Tales. Today I'm in town to do some errands, specifically things for the van. Come along.
Be closer to being known. I carry with me a part of us. There's nothing I could do or have ever done could bring me closer to being known.
Stefan, height?
Yeah. Thank you, appreciate it. Of course, I had to get a coffee before I start the day. This is a Starbucks that has a drive-thru, but it has the tightest corners in the world. Can somebody explain to me why drive-thrus are like that? Why are they so tight when you want to go in with a van? Maybe they're not made for vans. Okay, ramble over, moving on to the next errand. I guess coffee wasn't an errand, but I'm glad I got it. Look at that, I caught every stoplight. I'm in that cycle where I can't get past stopping at every stoplight. Sucks. Ooh, I made it past one. Ooh, baby. First order of business after getting the coffee is I'm gonna get an oil change, and I usually get it at Walmart because it's half price and I can get full synthetic and the brand that I want. So it's a little bit of a line usually, so that's why I'm here so early, so I can actually be first in line. Hopefully they're not even open. I think it's gonna be 10-15 minutes before they open, so I'm just gonna go in and chill and hopefully be first in line. They usually never open at 7 a.m. when the schedule says they would. So it's always kind of a waiting game here. That's what happens when you try to change your oil at Walmart. They're saying they're waiting for a cashier, so nobody here yet. It's really tougher to wait when I gotta go to the restroom. But I don't want to lose my spot. That was a bust. I waited for over an hour at Walmart. I have to go to the restroom, so I couldn't wait anymore. And that's the only patience I had. So another day to change my oil, or maybe I'll go to a different Walmart later after I get to do the other things that I need to be doing. Walmart experience, baby. Okay, so the hours for the auto center on Google and on their outside schedule, it says 7 a.m. Then I went on their website and it does say 9 a.m. But one of the customers that went in there, he said, like, usually they start at 8 a.m. They haven't taken any cars. It's 8:30 already. I don't think anybody's going to show up until 9 a.m. I'm not waiting 2 hours just to get my car in, and maybe another hour to get it done, because that's how long it usually takes to get a car done here. I am a patient man, but sometimes, man, I run out of it. And that's happened today. Plus, I don't want to just wait here when I could do other things that I plan to do today. So let's get going. Planet Fitness over there. But I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I want to get all my errands done first, and then hopefully stop and work out and go take a shower. First order of business, O'Reilly Auto Parts. I'm just coming in to get a air filter because it's been a while since I changed it, and I've been in the backcountry. So, alright, I got my filter. It's gonna change it really quick and move on. This was the easiest transaction ever. Why can't everything be like that? Come on. Alright, this should be fairly easy. One latch there. I'm trying to do this one hand, so bear with me. There we go. It looks pretty dirty. New one, old one. Back in the box. That only took 10 minutes, maybe less than that. Okay, one errand done. One a bust, maybe. I'll revisit another Walmart and get that done later. But now let's move on to the next errand. I made it to the mechanic to get my smog check done. Got the smog done. She passed with flying colors. To the next thing. I've made it to AAA Auto Club. I'm a member, I get it every year, and I like it because I don't have to go to the DMV to get my registration done. I just come here, hopefully they get it done really quickly. Depends how busy they are, but it's still better than the DMV at any cost. So just that alone makes up for being a member here. All right guys, got my registration done. So it's before 10 a.m. I am gonna give Walmart another try. This is gonna be a different Walmart. I've had better success in the past for this one. The one that I was at was just closer, so it was much easier to go to, but I'm gonna try this different one and hopefully I get my oil changed today. I really wanted to do it before I went to go get the smog check, only because I'm not sure if it helps or not, but it couldn't hurt, you know. At least I got that air filter changed before I went to go do the smog check. Again, I'm not sure if that helps. It couldn't hurt because I do know air filters, if they get clogged, they impact gas mileage, but I'm not sure if it impacts emissions or not. You know, it started off on a rocky start, but hopefully it's flowers and butterflies from here. We'll see with Walmart. All right, on to the next errand for the van. Let's get this done. Let's get this oil change done, people. So far, the second Walmart was a success. And I feel like I should explain why I go to Walmart to change my oil. It's because I have a V8 and it takes a lot of quarts. And I'm trying to get full synthetic. And if I were to go to a regular shop, it's double the price. It's usually over $100. So I'm gonna share with you how much it is after I'm done, because I don't really remember. I think it's around $60, give or take. So that's, you know, basically almost half price. I'm trying to keep my baby as clean and good oil as possible. I'm trying to give her all the good fluids so she can run for 1,000,000 miles. All right, so it was $56 and I donated $1 for something. It only took 40 to 45 minutes, so great experience with this one. I'm not going to the other one ever again. There's more people working here. I'm not sure if the other one has problems getting people to work or whatever that is, but this one's so much more organized. I'm feeling pretty accomplished with myself. I got a new air filter, which that took like 10 minutes. I got my oil change done. Finally, I got to do it today. I'm so glad. I passed smog check and then I got my registration ready. Now, to find the gym, work out a little bit, shower, because, you know, it's been a few days. And then maybe find a park to go to see if I can edit at least a part of the video to this day. But hey, it's a little bit past 11 and I got a lot of stuff done. So these spots here are so small. It barely fits. I'm gonna run like hell for 15 minutes. It was pretty intense. The last minute I just go really hard. All done with Planet Fitness, but if you look in the parking lot here, there's a lot of that's a van lifer, that's a van lifer, that's a van lifer. Do we have any more? So every time I come to Planet Fitness, I see a bunch of vans. Everybody's using them for the showers and hopefully work out a little bit. I love the massages, they're amazing. There she is in all its glory. motorcycle, but workout done. This park is really cool, except they always have somebody cutting grass. So it's really hard to film here. I actually heard somebody cutting grass on the other side, so I made a right. So I don't know if I'm gonna film a lot here, but I just wanted to walk around a bit and, you know, enjoy the place without any cut grassing people. Speaking of, that's their trailer right there. So I think I didn't avoid them at all. There they are. We got some wild geese, which don't really care there's people driving on the road. Still no care in the world. I feel like I had a pretty productive day. I did everything I wanted to do with the car. I also ended up at this park and I get to enjoy it because I got that annual pass. So this is one of the 16 parks that I can enjoy with that pass. And it's pretty awesome. I actually forgot this had a lake, so it's pretty nice to just chill at the lake here. I'm trying to like show you the whole thing. Check out this video if you want to see more van life related content with me going in the woods and all that stuff. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.